Hi, this is Green Janine with TOS50.com, the other side of 50. I am in the Enchanted Forest Sanctuary in Florida. I'm in a part of Florida called the Space Coast because we are so close to the NASA Kennedy Space Center. And here at the Enchanted Forest Sanctuary, there is a type of habitat called scrub that is one of the most endangered habitats in the United States of America. It's a habitat found only in the southeast part of the United States, but mostly in Florida. And with me today to help talk about the scrub is Xavier. And Xavier's last name is French, and it's a beautiful name, but I can't say it. So Xavier, could you help us out?
Yeah, hi, I'm Xavier de Séguin des Onces.
Well, thank you for joining us, Xavier. And Xavier, why is the scrub endangered?
Well, Janine, 90% of scrub is already disappeared in Florida because it's high and dry and easy to build on, and so a lot of scrub has been, bulldozed to build houses.
Okay, so it's just a nice place to build a house in Florida.
Yeah.
And what kinds of things do you find in a scrub habitat?
Yeah, scrub is mainly made of scrub oaks, so there's 3 different species of oaks, and in here there's different type of scrub, but the scrub that's behind you is oak saw palmetto scrub, so it's mainly scrub oaks and saw palmetto. There's also a lot of grasses in it, and a lot of diversity of plants.
So in addition to plants, what type of wildlife depend on the scrub?
We got one of the most known species is the gopher tortoise, which is, by the way, threatened by the state of Florida. And we also have the Florida scrub jay that is actually an endangered bird, and it's only found in Florida, nowhere else in the world. And we also require that habitat, that scrub habitat.
Well, Xavier, I know that you're a land manager here at the Enchanted Forest Sanctuary, and I understand you do some kind of prescribed burning here to take care of the scrub?
Yeah, so what happened is historically in Florida, because Florida is the capital of almost the capital of the world for lightning, there was lightning strikes that would happen naturally and will ignite various habitat, and including scrub. And so there would be those big wildfires that would burn, and actually that would help not only regenerate the plants, but also it would alter the structure of the scrub. Scrub needs to be about 6 feet tall and has a lot of openings, so animals like scrub jay or gopher tortoises can forage in it. And so what happened is, because of the construction, a lot of people moved in Florida, the habitat became fragmented, and then obviously we can't have like wildfire roaming free in the state of Florida. So because of that, the scrub tends to be overgrown, and with that there's a decrease in the number of species of plants and animals, including some listed and protected species like the scrub jay.
So you do the prescribed burns to try to keep the scrub at a certain height?
Yeah, so for example, this scrub behind you is 3 years after fire, so most of it is now about 6 foot tall. So this year we're gonna come and reburn the whole thing. So depending on the conditions, sometimes we burn the entire thing and it's black to the ground. Sometimes it's a little bit more patchy. But what we try to do is that we can't burn everything in one shot, because we have to leave some scrub that has optimal height so the animals can still live on it. So we're going to burn only a fraction of it and then let it grow back, and next year we'll burn another section of it. And so we always try to keep enough scrub at optimal height.
But what happens to the wildlife in the areas where you do burn?
So when we burn, well, birds tend to fly away because that's easy. But for example, the gopher tortoise, they dig those burrows. Those are holes in the ground where they live. And when we burn, scientists have shown there's about, I think it's 300 species of other animal, including snake, insects, rodent, little mouse and stuff like that, that actually during the fire will go into the burrow and hide out and let the fire go and then come out later on.
It's fascinating. Yeah. Wow. Well, thank you very much, Xavier.
Yeah, you're welcome.